Hey, what's going on YouTube? We're changing it up tonight. I'm filming my first video for the channel. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying the content. Tonight's scratch-offs are $2 cash explosion from the Ohio Lottery. These have a 1 in 4.45 odds of winning. We're looking for 3 identical prizes, or 2 identical prizes with a 2 times or 5 times, or 3 entries to get into the game show. So with that, as my husband says, we're going to go ahead and jump in and let's see if we can get lucky. As we're scratching off here, go ahead and put in the chat how you're doing today. Let us know how you're liking the channel, liking the content. All right, we got a couple 5s here. Oh, so close. All right, an entry though. We got an entry. Looks, I think we need 3 entries. No go on that one. So if you're watching, go ahead and put in the chat. What scratch offs are you guys scratching whenever you're buying these? Or let us know if there's a ticket you'd like to see on the channel. There we go. We got a 5 times. We got $2 here. All right. Looks like we got a winner. In an earlier video that we posted, we talked about different tools. Let us know what tools you're using to scratch these. All right, we got an entry. We got 3 entries here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Nice. If you're not using a nice tool is the Ohio Lottery app. We're definitely scanning all of our tickets in, double checking our winners. And you can also submit those entries online, so it's super convenient. All right, looking here. No go. Hit a 5 times there. Like to see a couple more of those 5,000s. Wouldn't that be nice for the first video? All right. No go there.
5 times 4 and 4, $20.
Oh, nope. I was just advised. We got a 5 times with 2 prizes. That gives us $20 card. Also helps to have a teammate here. My husband's here beside me helping me out. We've been working together as we get the channel started. Checking each other's work, scanning in on the app, making sure nothing gets missed. Oh man, this looked like it could have been promising. Nothing there. We got an entry, looks like. Second entry. All right, nothing there. Gonna switch my tool up here. Again, let us know in the chat what you guys are using to scratch. We're trying to figure out what's the best, especially as we're doing these videos. All right, no go there. All right, here we go. We got 3 entries. Go, 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and we'll put that in on the Ohio Lottery app.
Just to add, so far we are breaking. We put in $30.
All
and we
right.
made 30.
So right now we are, I was just advised, we have broke even. We spent $30 on these cards. We got a bunch of cards today as we were out and about. And we have broke even, so we've earned our money back. So we're 100%. Those are great odds, if you ask me. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, no go. Super close. Next one. All right, this one's a winner. It's nice. So we got 3 $5 prizes right there. $5 card. Oh, oh, did you see that? Did you see that? Man, it got me excited. 5,000, 5,500. Let's keep scratching. Oh boy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Had my heart pumping. So close, so close. All right, nothing there. All right, we got a couple more cards left here. Thanks for tuning in. We really appreciate our subscribers. We've just been doing this a short time. My husband's usually the lead out on the video, so I appreciate you taking a look at my first video on the channel. Super excited about that. And looking forward to putting more content out, seeing what you guys have to say in the comments. All right, no go there. All right, our last one. We definitely appreciate your comments and feedback. It's been really helpful as we've been planning our videos. There we go. Nothing there. All right, thanks everyone for watching. I really appreciate. We are at $35. We spent $30, so we're in the positive. And a couple entries as well for the show, so that's really awesome. Thanks again for watching my first video on the channel. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we look forward to putting more content up, and we'll see you soon.